Hi, I'm Dean Johnson. After 35 years in the home improvement industry, I can tell you that when it comes time to replace windows, most people want to use a solution that's going to last. I'm with Paul Delahunt, president of Renewal by Andersen. So Paul, how do you know your Fibrix composite window is going to hold up over time?
Well, Dean, is the full-service replacement division of Andersen, longevity is in our DNA. And we've known for a long time that our Fibrix material is 2 times stronger than vinyl and doesn't expand or contract with changes in temperature like vinyl does.
Do you ever test them?
Well, we test our windows all the time, but last year, for the first time, we conducted a long-term durability study, and we actually removed 10 original windows from a customer's home after 20 years of use.
Now hold on a second, so you're saying you removed perfectly good windows from one of your customers just to test it?
Yeah.
So what did you find out?
Well, the results were excellent. We did some testing on site, and then we did more extensive testing here in our lab. And after 20 years of brutal Minnesota winters and muggy summers, our windows were as easy to open and close as the day they were installed. And our Fibrix material remained incredibly strong with no cracking, peeling, or chipping.
Well, that's incredible, and probably a big reason for that 4.7-star rating you get from your customers.
Absolutely, Dean. But actually, Renewal is about a lot more than just our great product. I would tell you that we get just as many rave reviews from our customers about our phenomenal people or our worry-free process as we do about our product. We call this Renewal by Andersen Signature Service. Our goal really is to make this the best home improvement experience you've ever had.
Well, there you have it. If you're looking for a replacement window solution that's going to last, look no further than Renewal by Andersen.